Today I'm going to look at this silver line lock which I found in a supermarket car park. It's not the first lock I found there, and as you can see it is well and truly broken. It's solid brass, and it looks to me as though someone's taken a utensil to it to try and break it open. Anyway, here it is. I think there are probably 4 pins inside, even though it's very, very small. Silverline is a European make. Tiny little padlock. Let's get it into the vise and see if I can pick it. Here we go. Okay, it's now in the vise, and in order to pick it, I've got this specially adapted, specially made tiny Z wrench because the opening is very, very small. I'm going to pressure to the right clockwise, and I've made this modified pick because it needs a very, very small one to get inside. Let's just see what I can do. Let's just check the pins. Okay, it seems to be accessible there. 1. I think there are 4 pins, as I said. 2. Okay, and now the tensioner has come out. There's very little space. Try again. Start at the back. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zip it, see if anything happens. No. Start again at the back. 4. Up, and there it is. Okay, it's not much of a turn, but you get, oh, and it's back into place. So you could see it open then. Let's just try one other technique. Get my tiny little tensioner in there and see if this wave rake will do anything. Well, I thought it might do, but it looks as though the rake doesn't want to open it. Sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not. Okay, final attempt. Oh, there it is. As you can see, it is open there. Just what, 1/8 of a turn, and that is my little brass found silver line lock. What's left of it picked. Thanks for watching.